In the world of culinary mysteries, there's one dish that has puzzled historians and tantalized taste buds for centuries. Today, we embark on a savory journey into the fascinating history of Quiche Lorraine. Ah, Quiche Lorraine, the flaky wonder that's as mysterious as it is delicious. Before we dive into its buttery layers, let's unravel the mystery behind its name. But first, subscribe and become a member of our growing community. As the morning mist enveloped the quaint village of Lorraine, whispers echoed through cobblestone streets of a baker shrouded in mystery. Some called him Monsieur Fromage, while others simply knew him as the keeper of culinary secrets. But it wasn't just Monsieur Fromage's ethereal pastries that captured the imagination. It was a single dish that held the key to his legend, the enigmatic Quiche Lorraine. Picture it, a kitchen filled with the tantalizing aromas of freshly baked bread and sizzling bacon. And there, in the center of it all, stood Monsieur Fromage, concocting a dish that would soon become the stuff of legend. But what was this mysterious creation, and how did it come to be named after the humble region of Lorraine? Well, my curious comrades, the answer lies in the annals of history, where fact and folklore intertwine like pastry dough and filling. Some say Monsieur Fromage stumbled upon the recipe during his travels through neighboring lands, while others insist it was passed down through generations of Lorraine bakers. But one thing remains certain. Quiche Lorraine's origins are as mysterious as they are mouth-watering. Now that we've peeled back the layers of mystery surrounding Quiche Lorraine, let's embark on a delectable journey through its rich history. From its humble beginnings in rustic kitchens to its modern-day reign as a brunch staple, Quiche Lorraine has undergone quite the transformation over the centuries. Our culinary journey begins in medieval Europe, where peasants crafted savory custard pies filled with eggs, cream, and whatever ingredients they could scrounge from their humble surroundings. As time marched on, Quiche Lorraine evolved alongside the changing tastes and trends of the era. In the late 19th century, French chefs began experimenting with regional specialties, leading to the birth of what we now know as Quiche Lorraine, a flaky pastry filled with eggs, cream, and smoky bacon. Today, Quiche Lorraine continues to captivate taste buds around the globe, with chefs adding their own creative twists to this timeless classic. Whether you prefer a traditional Quiche Lorraine bursting with bacon and cheese, or a modern interpretation featuring exotic ingredients, one thing remains true. This dish is a celebration of culinary creativity and cultural fusion. As we savor the rich tapestry of Quiche Lorraine's history, it's time to examine its virtues and vices in the realm of modern gastronomy. Ah, Quiche Lorraine, our culinary chameleon beloved by brunch enthusiasts and gourmands alike. But is this iconic dish truly without fault? Let's start with the good. Quiche Lorraine is a versatile marvel, perfectly suited for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a fancy brunch or craving a cozy dinner, this flaky wonder never disappoints. Its buttery crust and creamy custard filling provide a blank canvas for endless culinary creativity. But, my discerning diners, let us not overlook the shadows lurking in Quiche Lorraine's pastry folds. Some purists lament the departure from tradition, decrying the influx of extravagant fillings that threaten to overshadow Quiche Lorraine's humble origins. To them, the essence of Quiche Lorraine lies in its simplicity, a delicate balance of eggs, cream, and smoky bacon. But fear not, my fellow food adventurers, for in the land of Quiche Lorraine, the delicious reigns supreme. Whether you prefer the classic combination of bacon and cheese, or dare to venture into uncharted territory with exotic fillings, one thing remains certain. Quiche Lorraine is a testament to the joy of culinary exploration. And thus concludes another chapter in the annals of food history. Join us next time on Foodstorian, where we'll unravel another tantalizing tale from the world of gastronomy. Until then, bon appétit.